Today is the start of our across the states. I would say country, but we're not really going across the country.
I mean, we're going pretty far.
Shit. Today, we are going pretty far across the states, making our voyage.
Well, we counted it, didn't we?
It was like 9 states we're going. We counted how many states I've been to this year.
Yeah, but Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, New Jersey.
Okay, that's a lot.
New York, that's 9.
So we're going through 9 states. We're road tripping to Jersey this weekend for IBOC. By the time you watch this video, Jersey probably already happened. But if it didn't, I hope to see you guys out there.
From the future.
Yep.
Or the past.
Past. Yeah. We have 5 hours till we reach Birmingham, Alabama. Now, I mean, I got some folk up there. I got some canned folk. Oh, man. He like he had a stressful day. I feel it. Hey, bro, I feel you. I've been there before. Mm-hmm. Well, from the last clip you seen of the time lapse, ran into our first problem. Somehow, we have a leak in one of the tires. So David, is being the smart man that he is, has a whole ass tire kit ready to roll. Damn, that air went out fast.
Dude, it was
holy. You can even hear the leak too. But luckily, we pulled off on the side of the road and found a gas station, and they got the air machine there. He also has a portable air machine. We got tools, so we're pretty much good. Hopefully, you think the hole is patchable? Well, once we,
I don't know.
That sucks, dude. These are brand new damn Falcons.
Brand new tire, less than a week old.
Less than a week old as any's.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to drive up on this so I can get the jack up on it. Makes sense.
How to do flat repair with a tire kit.
Yep.
Let's do it, David. Install video, first one. Let's go. All right, so the hole we have is right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys probably can, because Sony cameras just hate sunlight for some reason, but it's like right in between that right there. And yeah. So first step would be
first step is to ream the hole. Right? So it's right here. You just gotta make sure it'll go all the way through, like clearly that does. And should hold because it's right in the groove here. It's not on the actual face of the tire, which if there's any silver line, I guess it's that. Then you take your plug, feed it through here, get a nice stitch on both. Take it, get it all the way fucking down in there.
Stuffer, bro. Stuffed. Man, that tire's flat. Holy hell.
Just like that. Pull it out, and then now we need a knife to cut that off. I don't have one.
Usually I stay strapped, but
wait,
I ain't strapped today. There you go.
Got clippers. Yeah, just take it, just clip it. Like that. So now let's see.
Do some Joe Budden to it. If y'all don't catch that reference, you're too young to watch my videos. By Joe Budden the tire, we're gonna pump it up. Did you catch that, David?
No.
Damn, you too old, dog.
Yeah.
One of the cool things about buying a Type R, you get your own portable air box.
Yeah, you get an air pump.
No spare tire though.
No spare tire.
But
you get
an air pump. Can't go wrong, dog. Might as well drop 30 bands on the Type R, dog.
You know?
Well, we are good to go, hopefully. So far, I kept 32 PSI in the tire. And, yeah, man. That boy, David's a beast. Because if it was me, god damn, I'd have been calling all the homies. They wouldn't have showed up. They would have just laughed. Like, fix it on your own. Those are homies. Nah, they would have came through. Because I don't know. I've never in my life did a tire repair. So I wouldn't know how to do it. There's some things I just don't know how to do.
Well,
now I know.
You're prepared to drive across the U.S.
You gotta, you know what I mean? Hell, I probably wouldn't even brought tools. I would have brought tools on the jack. I ain't that stupid. But I probably wouldn't have brought no tire repair stuff for damn sure. Like, oh no, they brand new tire, bro. My shit good.
Right.
Yeah, they good.
Well, what's funny is I contemplated taking all of it out. I was like, if we didn't use it going to California, we're certainly not going to need it this time.
And look at that. And we ain't bring the tools this time. Oh lordy.
Yep, left the tool bag at home. Hey, but we had enough to change and fix the tire though.
Facts, big facts. Good as new. So we've been driving for about, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes? How's the wheel so far, dog? A wheel?
Not leaking air.
That's good.
So
we're good. Yeah, we'll take it. We're good. Now we got some Final Destination 6 stuff going on. Ya feels us. Ya feels us. Alright, so I asked the people on Hybrid Racing's Instagram and my Instagram a Q&A for the road trip so we can make it more interesting this time around of our 9-state road trip. So we're gonna do like a Q&A thing today, and then maybe do some, I don't know, something.
We'll do some questions tomorrow.
Yeah, something. Yeah, pretty much make it where it's interesting, where you guys want to know stuff about hybrid and me and such and such, such and such. First question, we're gonna go from the hybrid Instagram from Rigo Meister. He asks, "When is your shifter coming out?" I don't know what shifter he's implying.
What shifter he's talking about? The next shifter release will be in a few days.
Yeah,
so when this video goes,
when this video
shifter will already be out.
Yeah, so
it'll be the 10th Gen Civic shifter coming out.
Yeah.
2 days from today.
All right. So this video is being filmed on a Wednesday, so whenever you watch this shifter, I'm 1,000% sure.
Yeah, check it out. Hybridracing.com.
There you go. All right, this I guess for you and I guess. Okay. DC2 Charlie asked, favorite car in the YouTube community. Ooh, there's a lot of cool, like, nice builds going on right now. Favorite car in the YouTube community. I'm honestly gonna just say my Integra, because I've never seen my Integra this nice ever. Like, yeah. I mean, other than my Integra, the nicest car. Damn. I don't know, dog. I think I'm gonna give it to Tommy. I think Tommy's EK is really, like, that's a well done car. Like, that car is, I wouldn't change nothing on that car.
Yeah,
I'd say Tommy's car.
I forgot about Tommy. I'm gonna second that.
Yeah, Tommy's EK is just,
Tommy's setup is nice.
Yeah,
he's got a variety of setups and a variety of looks and
chilling. Shout out to Tommy.
And he's always doing good stuff. So yeah, Tommy gets my vote there.
Ooh, Checkered Sports asks, will you ever have a collab with Checkered Sports? That would be sick.
That's cool. I'd be into that.
Me too.
I'd be into that.
I'd be a part of it, like a subsidiary or something. I don't know.
I'll be a part of it. All right.
So I got a question on my thing. Was like, how did you get the name Zosh? I actually got the name Zosh from Call of Duty Gaming 8 years ago. There's a guy named Zosha Clips. I basically boom ganged his name and took off like an O and the sh, like an O and A and clips, and just made Zosh. I called myself Zosh. I thought it was Zosh, but then this guy I was playing with, my man Justin, he was like, why don't you just call yourself Zosh? I'm like, oh shit, like Josh, Zosh. Makes sense. So, and I just kept it ever since. I mean, it's too late for me to rebrand who I am now, because everyone just knows me as Zosh, so that's just what it is. But that's how I got the name Zosh and where it came from. Zosh. What are your dream wheels for the Integra? I got two. My ultimate dream wheels are a legit set of Rega Masters. But my current dream wheels that I want so bad are T37s. That's like, I really want some T37s and 16x8 plus 35. I think that's plus 30. Yeah, plus 35 or plus 38. One of them. 4x100. My friend driver back home, he has them, and it just sits perfect, and that's one of my dreams.
T37s.
Yep, T37s.
Okay.
What's your favorite supercar?
Ooh.
I would say a Koenigsegg. Yeah, Koenigsegg Guerra R would be my favorite supercar. And that shit is just. What's your favorite supercar?
Mine. All-time favorite car.
I feel like it's a Porsche.
All-time favorite car. Doesn't matter. Nothing else. McLaren F1.
Ah, I should have said, I should have said a McLaren.
Original McLaren F1. BMW, V12 motor, manual transmission, center drive. That's it. That's the car that was on my wall as a kid. Definitely had the poster.
McLaren
F1.
Mine actually was a Viper. I give credit towards my brother
Vipers
really had me into Vipers. But they're not supercars.
No.
They're just like nice.
They're sports cars.
Yeah, sports cars. Yeah. If I had to get a supercar, that'd definitely be a damn good.
6.2 miles.
How do you make it possible to make? How do you make it possible to be sponsored by a big brand? How do you do it? And since he's probably asking, what does it take for a Hybrid or another big company or a company of your stature to sponsor someone like me? And this is how I got sponsored and how he sponsors other people is totally two different things. Well, I mean, it's the same thing in a sense. The most important thing, my answer would be, the most important thing is you gotta have influence. You can't just have, you gotta have influence. It all boils down to who you are as a person, what your image is on socials, and what is your influence? Who's your audience? Do your audience support you in a sense of whatever you do they support it? Because I think that's kind of how I got to where I'm at now.
Look, the opportunity is there when you have a need on both sides, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I have a need and you have a need, and those needs work each other out, then it makes sense. Then you have a successful relationship, and then it makes sense to invest time and money and dollars and whatever in working together. If you had no influence or credibility, and you were at home trying to build a car and you're asking for help, well, you don't really bring anything to the table.
Yeah, so there's no point in helping.
It doesn't
make sense.
It doesn't help.
It wouldn't work.
It doesn't become a partnership. At that point, it becomes like a gift.
Yeah, like a handout.
And at the end of the day, I'm all about helping people and doing things like that.
Yeah.
But we have a business to run. And
exactly.
If it doesn't make money, it
doesn't
make sense.
Hey, yeah, playboy.
Yeah. So if you want to approach a company that you want something from, then approach them and tell them what you can do for them.
There you go. There you have it. That's what I do. Cream Supreme asks, why does HR always have their products back ordered or on back order? So David,
that's a good question. The short answer to that is we sell a lot of stuff. We still haven't been able to meet the demand of the amount of stuff that people buy from us. The only thing I can say is we're working on it, and it's going to get better very soon. But at the end of the day, we're building a ton of stuff. We're making a lot of stuff. A lot of the stuff is just in high demand, right? And, some of these things, some of these parts are so complex. It's very time-consuming and challenging sometimes to make enough of them to fill a demand
so big.
Because you make all these parts and you sell them all. All right. Well, you sell way more than you thought you would. You sell way more than you made. So you go on back order. You know what I'm saying? And that's how it goes. So
it's
It's a good and a bad thing.
oh,
you
it's
know?
well,
yeah.
it's definitely a good thing
Yeah.
for a business. It's not good for customers, and if customers have to wait and they get unhappy, it's not a good thing.
Yeah.
So I get it. I get it. You know,
Then exit right to
it's something that won't be forever. But at least if you know if we're selling out of stuff,
Doing something right.
We're selling we're selling a lot of stuff. So
You're chilling.
it's good. It's good and it's bad, but we're working on it and we'll be better.
And there you have it, folks. Rise and shine, putos. It's the next day. Day 2 of our trip. Today's goal is to reach. What are we reaching today? Virginia? Virginia. We are a total about 12 hours away. No, 8 hours away.
It'll be about 13 hours today.
About 13 hour day. So, yeah, man. Oh, God. God damn. A long day of heavens. A long day. Your boy loaded up on that strawberry acai refresher. Shout out to Caitlin for putting your boy on. Nah, I mean, this right here from Starbucks is the truth. I personally believe Dunkin' Donuts is way far more superior than Starbucks. But this strawberry acai or acai, whatever the hell you want to say, refresher is the mother loving truth. So we came to Best Buy because, well, I broke my SD card reader and we're here to buy another one. So that's what it is. Good thing it's cheap and affordable because I'm on food stamp money. Know what I mean? It's, nope, not right. I think it's on the next aisle. Let's see. Wow, we're tag teaming. He got one for the office and I got one.
Well, you know, you have to get 2 because in case you break that one too.
Yeah, you know me.
You know.
Hey man, Zosh built everything around here. You know what I mean? I break everything, apparently. Ain't no apparently, I do. It's alright.
Well, we're gonna
Well, yeah. It was in my control. Man. So, getting out of here. Back on the road. Tail of the dragon, we is on your buttocks. We're heading towards the tail of the dragon. But before we get there, we got a nice little road ahead of us. It was like a creek down. I kind of missed filming it. Started filming late, but it was pretty cool. Hit it, David. Kill it, bro. Do it for the vlog, bro. Do it for the vlog. What you gonna do? Do it for the vlog. What you gonna do? I think that should wrap up the first edition of this vlog because now we're about to enter the butthole, right? You would say?
No.
Okay, we're gonna enter something that's close to the tail of the dragon, and I'm gonna film it all. So I'll see you guys in the next video, which would be, you know, the next video. So thank you guys for watching day 1 of our road trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below. Comment down below anything, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Later.